Because welding fume is far more than just dust. It acts like an invisible firing squad, constantly gunning for your delicate lungs. It is the things that you cannot see that will surely destroy you if you are not being careful enough. It is important to know that welding fume is not just a mist. It is a complex mixture of vaporized metal and toxic gases. When the arc ignites at thousands of degrees, the base metal and coating vaporize. Then, upon contact with the air, they condense into tiny microscopic solid particles. These are microscopic metal particles that remain completely invisible to the naked human eye, such as manganese, chromium, or nickel. They are so incredibly tiny that the lungs' own natural filtration system is entirely powerless against them. They reach the deep alveoli in your lungs completely unimpeded, and from there they travel straight into your bloodstream. That is, of course, if you aren't wearing the proper respiratory protection required. However, the danger does not simply end at that point. Throughout the entirety of this process, toxic gases such as ozone, nitrogen oxide, and carbon monoxide are being released. What we are facing here is a completely invisible and entirely odorless chemical assault on your physical body, one that strikes suddenly without any warning, slowly eating away at your delicate lungs and your vital nervous system from deep within. These microscopic particles range from 0.1 to 1 micron in size, which unfortunately makes standard medical or common fabric masks completely ineffective against them. Here is the complete list of the most dangerous heavy hitters. Consider the gift of durable, high-grade stainless steel. Specifically, we are talking about toxic hexavalent chromium. A glass-like weld can look quite spectacular to the eye, but behind that beauty lies a chemical process that is, in reality, absolutely and truly life-threatening. The highly toxic and dangerous fumes of hexavalent chromium, which are released during the industrial welding of high chromium alloys, inflict immediate and direct damage upon the delicate tissues of your respiratory tract, steadily bringing you ever closer to developing a chronic lung disease with every single breath that you take, while they are simultaneously accumulating deep within your body's cells and causing permanent, irreversible, and catastrophic genetic damage to your entire biological system. You must know this is not merely simple dust, but rather an aggressive and potent oxidizing agent. These are capable of penetrating the protective cell wall and causing direct damage to the DNA. It is extremely carcinogenic in nature, known to cause lung, nasal, and sinus cancers, along with severe nasal septum perforation, the development of chronic asthma, and painful chrome ulcers upon the skin. Zinc fumes. The zinc trap. When welding or cutting galvanized materials, a thick white smoke is produced due to the low boiling point of zinc. Metal fume fever. Do you think you have the flu after welding galvanized material? No, that's not it. Your body has simply gone into a state of shock from the zinc oxide. This condition is very similar to the common flu. The primary symptoms include severe chills, a high fever reaching up to 40 degrees, and a strange metallic sweet taste inside your mouth. Even though the initial symptoms tend to subside within a period of 24 to 48 hours, continued and repeated exposure will eventually lead to permanent damage to the lungs and a significantly weakened immune system. Moving on, we have ozone, which is a highly potent gaseous corrosive. It does not originate directly from the raw material itself, but rather it is generated from the oxygen present in the air through the action of intense UV radiation. This particular gas, which is odorless yet slightly pungent, is primarily generated during the welding of aluminum and stainless steel. It causes severe irritation to the mucous membranes. Even when present in very low concentrations, it can lead to pulmonary edema, as well as fluid retention, persistent chest pain, and chronic bronchiolitis. It essentially acts to burn your delicate lung tissue from the inside. We are talking about nitrogen oxides, a dangerous chemical compound, truly the silent and deadly suffocator of the human body. This forms when nitrogen in the air oxidizes at extreme heat. These substances are truly insidious, primarily because the resulting irritation is not always felt immediately. Severe shortness of breath or even symptoms that mimic pneumonia can manifest as long as 12 hours after the initial inhalation occurs. In the long run, it significantly impairs the body's oxygen uptake and places a very serious, lasting strain on the heart muscle. It is a chronic, dust-related illness. COPD stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It is a condition where, at 50, even taking a single step becomes a major challenge because years of breathing workshop dust have slowly consumed the air sacs in your lungs.